Beenie Man, Wayne Wanda and Sean Paul represented for Jamaica at the 21st Annual BET Awards. The Jamaican superstars were a part of DJ Cassidy's Pass the Mic BET Awards edition, Beenie Man, which included Nelly, Jadakiss, Fabulous, Ashanti, Fat Joe, Ja Rule, Ray J and Akon. The BET Awards also saw some of rap's biggest names hitting the stage, like the City Girls, DJ Khaled, Lil Nas X and Cardi B. Also performing Andra Day, Jasmine Sullivan and Kirk Franklin. Now still on the BET Awards, rapper Megan Thee Stallion was the night's biggest winner. The WAP Queen took home Best Female Hip Hop Artist, Best Collaboration, Viewer's Choice and Video of the Year. Now the other winners of the night, Best Female R&B Pop Artist. Her took the award over pop superstar Beyonce. Best Male R&B Pop Artist went to Chris Brown. Best Male Hip Hop was Lil Baby, and the door was left open for Best Group Silk Sonic. In film, Best Movie was Judas and the Black Messiah, while actress Andra Day won Best Actress and Chadwick Boseman posthumously winning Best Actor. The late rap legend DMX was honored with a special tribute performance from Busta Rhymes, Method Man, Swiss Beats and Michael K. Williams. The live 21st Annual BET Awards was held under the theme Year of the Black Woman and was hosted by actress Taraji P. Henson in front of a live audience. I'm Daedran reporting for E! Prime.